Hey there mga my love spices! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So before we start your reading mga mahal, no, reminders muna us na hindi ito for everybody. So wala tayong gender dito, okay? Just take only what resonates. Babae, lalaki, or your cross watchers. You're all welcome here. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. At syempre, huwag kayong makakalimot, no, that you have your own free will. Malaya kayong gamitin yan. So, yeah, no, bago natin start ito, no, reminders na timeless din ito, no. At, piliin mo lang talaga yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. So, let's go ahead and check this. Maaari maging kaganapan dito na pwede mong i-watch out or i-look forward here. So, let us think all the energies present here. Your angels and spirit guides, your guardians here, angels and spirits, Archangel Michael. Hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa pabalik-balik na Piscean out there, thank you so much, honey. So yeah, let's see. This is for my Pisces people. Tell me something about my Pisces here. Meron dito mga nag-iisip sa kanilang mga pangarap like non-stop, no? This is you thinking, how can I achieve this? Paano ko ba makakamit o makukuha tong pangarap na to? Iba-iba kayo ng mga pangarap pero nakikita ko that you're giving too much focus on this. Paano ko ba matutulungan si universe para mas ma-achieve ko na mabilis itong mga pangarap or target goals ko in life? Yeah, this is you focus here on your own life, how to make it better, and how to receive what is best for you. Yan, no? So I'm saying that you're giving too much focus here on whatever it is that you want to gain or achieve. Pero alam naman natin, no, na ang gain ay kailangan merong sinasabayan na aksyon at tiwala, no? So you need to trust here yourself and you need to trust that you have here higher power, no, kesa sa'yo. So yun see, universe, no? You need to trust here the universe together with this dreams and desires of yours. So let's see, no, kung ano mga energies here for you guys who have here this Six of Swords energy. You also have here this Ace of Wands energy. Oh, I'm saying that this is you. You're moving towards here something exciting. So this is you. You're moving towards here something that will increase your energy. You're being motivated. You're being inspired here. So I'm seeing no, na meron ditong paparating that will make you feel excited, Libra. And I do pick up Libra. Yeah, you could be dealing here with Libra, but doesn't have to be since I mentioned it. Some of you could be dealing here with Libra, pero yun nga, no? You could be dealing here with any zodiac sign. Okay? So, kung saan ka man papunta dito, Pisces, I do see you, babe, that this is you moving towards here into something na never mo pang natatry before or this is here something new. Actually, something new sa pakiramdam. Okay? Yung iba nakikita ko rito na parang may pinag-iisipan kayo ritong puntahan, like destination yun. Alam mo na pag pumunta ka dun, alam mo magiging masaya ka. So, pwedeng, yung pupuntahan mo na yan is pwedeng, um, pangarap mo yan na destination, pangarap mo yan na bakasyon, no? Pero, nakikita ko rito na parang, medyo may hesitation ka, no? Napuntahan yan. I do pick up na pwede kasi ito na baka ikaw lang mag-isa pupunta, no? And this is your first time na gagawin mo ito. So, parang meron tayong nakikita rito na kaya ko bang pumunta doon mag-isa? Yung mga ganun. Or kaya ko ba pag doon ako? Mga ganun. So, it looks like it could be somewhere na destination na gusto mong puntahan or vacation. Or pwede rin naman that it could be a new place right here kung saan pwedeng doon ka magtatrabaho, maaari, no? Or doon ka lilipat, na parang kaya ko ba? Although excited ka, no, napuntahan yun kasi parang yan yung tina-target mo na place, no, for vacation or for work or whatever, no. Pero may fear tayong nakuha ng konti rito. Pero kung ano man yan, something exciting mangyayari sa'yo dyan. So, nakikita ko na i-push mo yan, no, kasi it's something here positive naman. That's what I'm sensing. If this reading is yours, Pisces, I'm seeing you right here na kung saan ka papunta, it will make you feel excited. A lot of motivation ang nakikita ko rito sa iyo, no? So, nakikita ko rin dito yung iba na galing sa heartache and heart pain, no? Pwede yung iba kakabreak pa lang sa kanilang mga ka-in relationships, no, before or sa kanilang ex. O yung iba naman doesn't have to be na commitment or love, romantic situation. Yan, pwede rin namang trabaho, pero nakikita ko na nakaka-move on ka na. Yan. So, let's make latag all. Eight of Swords, Seven of Coins energy. So, nakikita ko na tuloy-tuloy at sunod-sunod ang pagbabago rito sa buhay mo, ha? At meron kang wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups energy at yung wish fulfillment mo may kinalaman sa love life. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na mukhang kayo to na nakulong kayo sa isang relationship before kung saan toxic yun, kung saan parang hindi ka malayang gawin or hindi ka komportable, no, na mag-open up talaga sa person mo. Kasi parang every time na magkikwento at mag-open ka sa kanya, dun sa ex mo ha, parang lagi na lang mainit yung ulo niya or parang lagi siyang kontra rito, no? Parang hindi mo na-experience na naging komportable ka sa pag-open up sa kanya ng mga nangyayari sa iyong life or sa mga daily mong ginagawa na parang lagi siyang may sinasabi, parang laging mainit yung ulo niya, no? You just want someone here to listen to you because I know that you're quite sensitive. This is you. You want that kind of warm. I'm getting that word warm. You want someone here who is warm, di ba? Yung ano, alam mo yung pakiramdam na meron kang makakausap, no? Someone here that will support you. Not tolerate, okay? Iba yon, no? That's different. But you want someone here who can give you that warmness feeling, someone who can talk to, someone who can be also your friend, not just your lover, someone who will listen to you and understand how you feel. Yun yun, no? And I'm seeing that there's a wish fulfillment here when it comes to love. One passionate new beginning ahead of you guys. Nine of Cups energy, the lovers. I do pick up that this is a very, very joyous connection paparating sa inyo at magmamatch ang inyong energy. At ang ganda kasi dito pa lang kitang-kita ko na may in love kayo ng bongga sa isa't isa. No? At ang malupit nito, hindi ito meant to stay for short time. This is meant for long term kasi karagatan tong nakikita natin dito. No? At ang emosyon dito sa reading ninyo, like totally, love is in the ocean. Not just in the air. Pisces. So whatever the case may be, something here that you do not see coming, unexpected. This is really magical here. Look at that, no? Look at those glitters. Look at those, parang, alam mo yung moon, no? Para ritong, nagbubuga rito ng very magical, no? Very fantastical energy here. And look at those dolphins. I'm seeing na magiging inseparable na kayo rin ng person na to, no? Like, hindi kayong paghihiwalay kung sino man tong person na to, no? Yung iba sa inyo, dumating na to sa buhay ninyo, pero hindi mo pa namamalayan, no? Na mauuwi kayo sa ganitong klase ng connection. That very, very, very deep connection. And yung iba, hindi pa to dumadating sa life ninyo, but expect this person to come into your life. This is someone here who is willing to invest forever with you. Seven of Coins energy. You are really heading towards here your new life. That's what I'm picking up. Actually, yung life mo rito, you consider your life as somewhat boring in the past, no? Pero ngayon, mukhang magiging busy ka, no? Kasi every day is always an exciting and fun day. So, whatever the case may be, I do see na kung ano man itong paparating mo sa buhay, hindi lang tutungkol sa love life mo, no? Pero I think, mas magiging makulay, no? Yung love life mo. No. Kumbaga, maraming magagandang paparating sa'yo, maraming exciting things paparating sa'yo, Pisces. Pero, isa na rito, no, na naha-highlight ay ang pag-ibig, love story ng buhay mo. Yan, di ba? Yung nakita ko rito, Pisces, no? Let's see at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Five of Cups, the Chariot, and there's this moon. Yeah! This is someone here that you're hoping for. Someone here, no, na hindi ka iiwanan, no? At hindi ka, alam mo yun, I'm getting that word dusa. Hindi ka magdudusa, no? Emotionally at mentally, no? Sa kanya. So, nakikita ko rito na may paparating rito sa inyo, no? At nakikita ko that it will come in very quickly or fast right here with the moon card together with the chariot, no? We've mentioned the moon, so definitely this is a strong indication, no? Na-mention na natin yung moon na twice, so ibig sabihin, strong indication na hindi mo talaga to in-expect na mangyayari anytime soon, but it's gonna happen. See, King of Wands energy. Someone here will definitely take responsibility sa'yo, no? This person here is someone who will get attracted to you. A lot of magnetic attraction that cannot be explained at all. So, sino man tong person na to, Libra? Yeah. Not just relationship, but this is a serious commitment. Nabubulol. Serious commitment right here. You will definitely see each other eye to eye. You will definitely look at each other here with lots of warmness. And look at that moon in the background. Isn't it the same glitter right here, but it became big? Diba? Yan o, yan o, yan o. Yan o. So I do pick up right here that there is something here magical going to happen in your love life. You will definitely see it. You will definitely get confirmations like signs, clues about this person here. I don't know. Maaring yung iba. Alam mo yung parang nakikita ko na small yung face niya, slim, very beautiful, very pretty, no? Yung iba maaring handsome to or physically attractive, no? But this is someone here who is definitely simple lang, no? At maaring ma-inlove ka, no? Sa kanya ritong one of his or her facial features. No? Pwedeng sa eyes niya or sa nose, sa lips, yan, no? Tapos pag nakita mo yun, parang maa-attract ka, no, in a way. Parang ganun yung nakita ko rito, no. You will find it sexy, mga ganyan, no. Or you will get attracted to his or her eyes. Like, ibang mata yun, parang ang ganda. Yan, no. So, whatever the case may be, well, this is your person here. I'm hearing yummy. So, whatever the case may be, you will definitely find this person here really yummy. Yeah, no. So, whatever the case may be, Libra, Libra talaga ako ng Libra, no? So, whatever the case may be, Pisces, I think Libra is actually, pag minimension ko yung Libra, nakakita ko na scale. So, whatever the case may be, I think umpisa na ng pagbabalanse ng buhay mo, Pisces. Magsisimula ng bumalanse yung buhay mo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. At ang love life mo dito, bibiyayaan ka na ng someone na pinagdadasal mo, someone na hindi nangiiwan, someone na hindi nagtatraidor dito, no? At someone na iingatan yung connection ninyo kahit umpisa pa lang. So, hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa sa'yo ng ex mo, pero yun yung parang pinagdadasal mo na yung someone na iingatan yung connection. So, maaaring yung past mo na is hindi niya iningatan yung connection, tinok for granted niya rito ang inyong connection, no? At ayaw mo ng ganon. Yan. Kasi isa pa sa gusto mo yung warm eh. So, maaaring sa iyong past mga relationships, okay, imbes na warm, puro cold as ice ang binibigay nilang treatment sa'yo. Pero magbabago na yan, babe, because I'm seeing destiny no already, no? Inikot na ang relo, no? Para sa'yo. Now, it's time for you to receive this beautiful love story that we're talking about. Pisces. So yeah, I do see right here na meron rin kayo ritong trabaho na iga-grab. Or kung hindi trabaho yan, business na itatry. Itry mo kasi nakikita ko mga babes, no, na magdadala yan sa'yo, no, ng pera at baka yan pa yung gawin mong negosyo forever. Or yung iba naman na maaaring diyan ka na lumipat na bagong trabaho, no? Or yung iba baka business yan, tapos may work ka ngayon, no? So I'm seeing na magpo-focus ka na lang sa business na yan. So this is something here that you do not expect na mas lalago yung pera rito or mas makaka-receive ka rito ng more money. Yan yung nakikita ko rito for you, Pisces. That's very good news kasi I'm seeing you smiling, no? And I'm seeing that you will have lots savings from here or you have this potential for your money, lalo na yung savings mo na lumaki at mag-grow. Yun yung nakikita ko here. And ang maganda, masasta ka sa isang love connection, mga babes, no, na gustong-gusto mo na talagang makulong dyan sa ganyang klase ng connection. Because you will surely feel really, really loved by this special person here who is entering your life or who already entered your life here. Everything will change here in your favor. Everything will happen so magical from here. So claim these beautiful messages right here, Pisces. Thank you so much, babe. Sarang 11 light.